go through this one because I was really geeked out by this because I love history. Everything about history. I told Sam a couple of years ago I wanted to go back and get a history degree, and he asked me why, and I said, so I would have it. And so, I just love history. I did not go get that degree, by the way.
But you can, because you can go to the college fair. Another special. Shameless plug. So we have a college fair going on as well, 35 plus colleges with a bunch of speakers and college prep genius and all the people talking about how to get into college and why and what to do and how to do it and everything else. So that shameless plug there. So.
Shameless plug. No, it's perfect because they have online programs. A lot of colleges do now. For the moms who want their kid to go somewhere but they don't want to do away. Early enrollment, dual enrollment, a lot of those kinds of things are doing great things.
So we've got some awesome speakers that talk about that why you need to do this.
So important.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Save a lot of money.
Save a ton of money, yes. So, okay, BiblioPlan. BiblioPlan is a 2-year exhibitor with us. We love BiblioPlan. What they have done is they've created 4 years of history. So they start with the ancients, they go to medieval, then they go to the early modern, and then the now modern type of thing. But what they have provided us, and they have all kinds of great things. They have this whole entire book series called Giants, and it's the giants of those eras. And I just want that series so badly, I'm probably going to buy it. But here's what they have given us. This is their full year 1 ancients of history. I mean, it's so good. And I'm going to show you what's here. So they got the family guide. Now, age group. They say their ages are kindergarten through 12th grade. Yes, you can teach your kindergartner some of this stuff at an abbreviated version. This thing will last you for 12 years. I mean, you can redo it and redo it. You know how history is. It doesn't really change much. It's history. So you could absolutely reteach this. Teach it early on at an abbreviated thing, then add it in later. But this is the family guide. And the family guide goes through, really, I mean, like it has all kinds of resources and stuff for high school readers, stuff for your earlier things. They have a weekly setup, so how to use it, day 1, day 2, day 3, that sort of thing. Kind of, it's a lesson plan. All kinds of interesting
and it's set
things.
up to go all the way through an entire year.
It is set up.
If you really wanted to go through.
Absolutely it is. And
which is awesome, because then that goes through Bible stuff and
everything. So much. They give you this hands-on map. Part of this, you can buy this full set, but part of the set is a hands-on map book. And it's, really it talks about all of it. Some you can color. It's an activity book. It's a learning book, all about the maps, that part of it. The craft book for ancient history. So here's a great thing. You can learn about the crafts of old days. So it's almost like a museum in a book. I mean, really.
That's really cool.
Yes.
With activities.
A lot of activities. Awesome. Love that. And this one is the cool history for middles. It's just, more activities, more questions, kind of like, different questions from the reading. So you
about the pharaohs.
Awesome. It's your question activity book.
And then that's brought down to grades 2 to 8.
2 to 8, because they need to be able to read, right? Yeah. And then here's the timeline that kind of goes through, and again, lots of pictures, lots of fill-ins, just really, really neat stuff. And then here's, of course, the big book for junior readers. And you can see, it's hardcover, which is always good. And then it's really interesting, the coloring. And, this is not just a textbook.
Yeah, and it brings the Bible to life.
Absolutely.
So they can actually see some of the things that the Bible talks about.
Absolutely. And it's so colorful, and it's broken up, so it's really easy to read. It's easy to break down. I want to read this part today, that part tomorrow. That kind of thing. This program, I'm telling you guys, I have spent 2 years looking at this program, and it is super good. When you're talking history, I'm telling you, this is probably one of the best. And I'm not biased because they're an exhibitor. I've really researched it, and I love history. So this one, BiblioPlan, they have the 4 levels. You could buy them all. You could buy, let's say you only want to buy this piece right now. They break it down. You can buy it a la carte. Okay. You're going to want all the rest of it, for sure. But you can. If you need to buy it piece by piece, you can. BiblioPlan, thank you so much for providing such a phenomenal product to us, just in general, but also as a giveaway. I love that product.
That's really, really cool.
Yeah,